Ladies and gentlemen, I'm starting my day by cooking my Gbegiri and Amala, an African delicacy. As you can see, I've got my peeled beans. I took my time to peel it, put it in the pot. Then the next thing I'm going to do after putting it in the pot, as you can see, I'm emptying it from the plastic into the pot. Then I'm adding a lot of water, enough water, put it on the cooker, cover it, and at the same time, as an African man, I need to prepare my stew. As you can see, I decided not to use a method they call omoyo stew. Rather, I decided to fry the pepper. Then after putting the pepper on the fire with the oil, fried it, add Maggi, add curry and every other things like salt. Then I shared the pepper into two. Part of it I decided to put into my peeled beans, which I'm going to use to make gbegiri. Cover it, and after some time try to check it. And it is very important when you are cooking, make sure you stay in the kitchen and monitor whatever you're cooking. So this is just what we call broom back home. Then you cut the tip of it. So I'm using that to mash the peeled beans. But before that, I've added my pepper and I've also added the palm oil. So I decided to mash it to make it soft and into pieces. So then I get you can see a sieve. I'm trying to sieve it. So the lumps inside, the remaining lumps, some people decide to eat it, but I decided to remove it and throw it away. So that is the process of making gbegiri. So I'm taking it little by little in parts, put it, sieve it, then I transfer it into another pot again, put it back on the fire. Now I can now add my salt, Maggi, curry, or whichever you want to put. But this is how I'm going to do mine. Put it back on the fire, then put water on the fire to prepare my amala. Now the water is ready to prepare my amala. As you can see, I'm stirring the elubo in the hot water. So after stirring for some time, I decided to put another hot water so that it will boil properly. It will reduce the starch. So after stirring, oh my God, almost done with everything. And I can't even wait myself. My mouth is watering. I'm hungry. So it is my turn today to prepare the meal. So now you can see my amala is ready, the stew and the gbegiri. They look yummy. Yeah, all done. And it is ready to serve. So my food is ready. I've served it. It is now to devour. Sit down and begin to eat. Oh my God. This is going to be delicious. Oh my God. A bite of the meat. As an African man, that is the first thing to do. You bite the meat first. Yummy. As you can see. Then the first stroke of amala with my gbegiri. Wow. Yummy. You guys are missing. Oh, it's just a pity. I will chop alone and I won't die alone. Oh, don't worry, just watch out for more and you can learn from me. Thank you for watching.